रातों की तन्हाई में तेरी यादें आती हैं, खामोश इन आँखों से कुछ बातें बह जाती हैं जिस
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. Have you ever imagined creating a complete cinematic music video using just a song, a single image, and one prompt? No video editing, no animation skills, no need for Premiere Pro, CapCut, or any other professional editing software. Simply upload a song, provide a prompt, and let AI do the rest. The most impressive part is that the AI automatically generates visuals that match every line of your song. Your character's face remains consistent throughout the entire video. The scenes change according to the lyrics, and the final result looks surprisingly close to a professionally produced music video. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Flow Music to create stunning AI-generated music videos within minutes. Although I'm demonstrating this tutorial on a computer, you can follow the exact same process on your mobile device as well. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. First, visit the Google Flow Music website. If you don't already have an account, sign in using your Google account. When logging in for the first time, accept the terms and conditions, enter your profile, name, click the Save button. Once completed, your account will be ready to use. Since I already have an account, I'll move directly to the next step. Before creating a music video, we first need a song. Google Flow Music allows you to create songs in two different ways. Method 1. Generate a song directly from a prompt. Method 2. Click on the Compose option and create a song using custom lyrics. For this tutorial, I'll use the Compose option. Simply paste your song lyrics into the lyrics section. Then enter your desired music style in the style box. Examples include romantic Hindi song, sad Bengali song, emotional pop ballad, cinematic love song, modern EDM track, acoustic folk song. After entering your lyrics and style, click the Generate button. Within a few moments, Google Flow Music will create a complete AI-generated song for you. Once your song has been generated, click on the music video option located at the top of the dashboard. Next, select New Music Video. Scroll down and click Browse My Songs. Here you'll find all the songs you've previously created. Choose the song that you want to convert into a music video. Then click the video icon and select Music Video. Google Flow Music will now ask you several creative questions including creative direction, subject and style, lyrics and format, camera movement, visual mood, overall vibe. Instead of manually filling out these settings every time, I recommend using a custom prompt. A well-written prompt helps the AI create more professional, cinematic, and consistent results. I'll include the exact prompt I'm using in the video description so you can simply copy and paste it. Now click the plus icon. Upload a photo of your model or character. This step is extremely important. By providing a character image, the AI can maintain the same face and character identity throughout the entire video. As a result, the final video looks much more realistic, professional, and cinematic. Now paste your prepared prompt. A good prompt typically includes cinematic visual style, consistent character appearance, dynamic camera movements, realistic lighting, scene matching based on lyrics, high quality visual details. For this demonstration, I'll create a 20-second music video instead of a full 2-minute video because my available credits are currently limited. So I have edited the prompt and changed the duration to 20 seconds. Once everything is ready, click the Run button. Within a few moments, Google Flow Music will generate a preview. Here, you'll be able to see display lyrics on or off, aspect ratio, resolution, video duration, required credits. To check your available credits, simply click on your profile name. If you have enough credits, you can generate videos up to 120 seconds long. For YouTube videos, I recommend using the 16:9 aspect ratio. For shorts, reels, and TikTok videos, use 9:16. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Start Render. The AI will now begin generating your music video. Depending on the video length and complexity, rendering may take a few minutes. Once rendering is complete, your AI music video will be ready. You'll notice that scenes automatically change according to the lyrics. The same character remains consistent throughout the video. AI generates visuals automatically. Cinematic camera movements are applied. Professional quality video output is produced. And the best part? You don't need any video editing skills at all. Everything is handled automatically by AI. After testing Google Flow Music's music video feature extensively, I was genuinely impressed. The 4 things I like the most are consistent character generation, automatic scene creation, lyrics-based visual storytelling, fast rendering speed. In my opinion, if you're creating Bengali, Hindi, or English music videos using AI, this is one of the most powerful tools available right now. And that's how you can create a complete AI-generated music video in just a few minutes using Google Flow Music. Even if you've never edited a video before, this tool allows you to create professional-looking music videos with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Comment below and tell me what type of music video you'd like to create. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel for more videos about AI tools, technology tips, and online earning opportunities. I'm Syed. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.